Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to channel for travel tips, hacks, and everything you need to make your adventures unforgettable. Today, we're diving into the best credit cards for international travel, because saving money and traveling smart is always in style. Let's jump in. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome travel content. Now, let's talk about the cards that can make your international trips smoother and more rewarding. First up, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card is a traveler's dream. You earn 2 times point on travel and dining, and those points transfer to airline and hotel partners for maximum value. Plus, it has no foreign transaction fees, which means no extra charge when you use it abroad. Next, the Capital One Venture Rewards card with 2 times miles on every purchase. Simplicity is its middle name. Use your miles to erase travel purchases, and of course, no foreign transaction fees. Plus, they will cover your application fee for global entry or TSA pre-check. That's a win for international travelers. The American Express Platinum card is perfect if you're all about luxury travel. It comes with access to over 1,400 airport lounges worldwide, 5 times point on flights booked directly with airlines, and incredible travel perks. Just keep in mind the higher annual fee, but for frequent travelers, the benefits can far outweigh the cost. For those who want no annual fee, the Discover 8 Miles card is an excellent option. It gives you 1.5 times miles on every purchase, and at the end of your first year, Discover matches all your miles plus no foreign transaction fees. The only downside, it's not as widely accepted internationally, so check for compatibility with your destination. Quick pro tip: always carry a backup card or some local currency. You never know when you will hit a spot that don't accept cards. And there you have it. My top picks for credit cards to use on your international travels. Which card is your favorite? Or is there one you swear by that I didn't mention? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.